In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your iPhone and open up a web browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, or whichever one you prefer. Next, head over to the Google Calendar website by typing in calendar.google.com. You might be prompted to open the Google Calendar app, but for this process, we're going to stay in the browser. Here's a little trick. At the bottom of the page, you'll want to tap on Desktop to switch to the desktop version of Google Calendar. This is because the desktop version offers more sharing options that we need. Once you're in the desktop view, take a look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled My Calendars. Now, simply tap on the calendar you'd like to share, then locate and tap the three-dot menu right next to it. From there, go ahead and select Settings and Sharing. This will open up a new menu where we can modify some important details. Scroll on down until you find the section titled Share with Specific People. This is where we'll be adding the folks you want to share your calendar with. Tap Add People and enter the email addresses of everyone you want to include. It's straightforward, and just type in each address and separate them with commas if you have multiple people. After that, you'll need to think about what permissions you want to give them. There are a few different options here. You can choose See Only Free Busy, which will let people know when you're available without sharing all the details of your events. Alternatively, select See All Event Details to provide them with full access to your calendar's events, or choose another level of permission based on what you're comfortable with. Finally, you'll need to complete the process by tapping Send, which will share the calendar with the specified contacts. Before we wrap up, here are a few notes that might come in handy. The Google Calendar app on iPhone doesn't support sharing directly, so using the desktop version in your browser is an effective workaround. Also, if you want to share only specific events rather than your entire calendar, you can do so directly from the app by adding guests to those individual events. And if you're trying to share your calendar with someone who doesn't use Gmail, consider making the calendar public for easier access. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently share your Google Calendar using just your iPhone. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more useful tips like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fantastic day.